Hello, are you ready for a challenge? In today's lesson, we are going to practice a lot of new words. It will be a practice marathon. Welcome back. Today, Eddie and I found this old box of memories.
A box? I am curious.
It's the perfect chance to practice descriptive words. Let's start with words to describe how things look. Look at this photo, Eddie. My birthday cake was so big. What's another word for big? What's another word for big?
A good word is large. A good word is large.
Exactly. Now the opposite. What's the opposite of big?
The opposite is small. The opposite is small.
Great job. Let's see another one. Oh, this flower garden was so beautiful. What's another word for beautiful? What's another word for beautiful? We could say pretty. We could say pretty. And what is the opposite? The opposite of beautiful?
That would be ugly. That would be ugly.
Okay, next, my old shoes. They are very clean in this photo. What's another word for clean? What's another word for clean?
You could say spotless. You could say spotless.
Good one. And the opposite? What's the opposite of clean?
The opposite is dirty. The opposite is dirty.
This is a photo of my grandfather. He was very old here. What's another word for old? What's another word for old?
You can say elderly. You can say elderly.
And what is the opposite? The opposite of old?
The opposite is young. The opposite is young.
Okay, let's change the topic. Let's practice words about quality. This photo is from a vacation. It was a very good day. What's another word for good? What's another word for good?
Excellent is a great choice. Excellent is a great choice.
Perfect. And the opposite? What's the opposite of good?
The opposite is simply bad. The opposite is simply bad.
Here's a photo of me trying to lift a heavy box. I felt very strong. What's another word for strong? What's another word for strong?
You could say powerful. You could say powerful.
Nice. And the opposite? The opposite of strong?
The opposite is weak. The opposite is weak.
Last one for this set. Eddie, you always look so smart. What's another word for smart? What's another word for smart?
Intelligent works perfectly. Intelligent works perfectly.
Of course, and the opposite? What is the opposite of smart?
The opposite is stupid. The opposite is stupid.
You are doing great. Let's move on to our next block. Now let's practice words that describe feelings and emotions.
The important things.
Here's a photo from a day in the park. I remember feeling very happy. What's another word for happy? What's another word for happy?
Joyful is a wonderful word. Joyful is a wonderful word.
It is. And the opposite? What's the opposite of happy?
The opposite would be sad. The opposite would be sad.
Right? Oh, look at this one. I was trying to build a shelf. I was getting a little angry. What's another word for angry? What's another word for angry? You could also say furious. You could also say furious. And what's the opposite? The opposite of angry?
The opposite feeling is calm. The opposite feeling is calm.
This is you, Eddy, at the vet. You always look so brave. What's another word for brave? What's another word for brave?
I prefer courageous. I prefer courageous.
A very good word, and the opposite? What's the opposite of brave?
The opposite is cowardly. The opposite is cowardly.
Excellent. Let's change topics again. How about physical conditions? This beach photo? Wow. It was a very hot day. What's another word for hot? What's another word for hot?
You could say warm or boiling. Let's use boiling.
Perfect. And the opposite? The opposite of hot?
The opposite is cold. The opposite is cold.
And this one of me running. I tried to be very fast. What's another word for fast? What's another word for fast?
A good synonym is quick. A good synonym is quick.
Great. And the opposite? What's the opposite of fast?
The opposite is slow. The opposite is slow.
Last one for this block. We were caught in the rain here. Our clothes were all wet. What's another word for wet? What's another word for wet?
Damp is a useful word. Damp is a useful word.
It is. And the opposite? The opposite of wet?
That would be dry. That would be dry.
Okay, you are doing an amazing job. We have our last block of words now. Let's focus on words that describe character and behavior. This photo shows you sharing a toy. You have always been very kind. What's another word for kind? What's another word for kind?
A lovely word is gentle. A lovely word is gentle.
It is. And the opposite? What is the opposite of kind?
The opposite is cruel. The opposite is cruel.
All right, this one is you sleeping. Here you look a little lazy. What's another word for lazy? What's another word for lazy?
I was not lazy. I was idle. There is a difference.
Okay, idle. And the opposite? The opposite of lazy?
That would be hardworking. That would be hardworking.
A very important quality. Just like being honest. What's another word for honest? What's another word for honest?
A good word is truthful. A good word is truthful.
And the opposite of honest? What's the opposite?
The opposite is dishonest. The opposite is dishonest.
Just 2 more pairs to go. This is a photo of a watch. It was very expensive. What's another word for expensive? What's another word for expensive?
You can say it was costly. You can say it was costly.
Perfect. And the opposite? The opposite of expensive?
The opposite is cheap. The opposite is cheap.
Last one. Let's talk about being rich. What's another word for rich? What's another word for rich?
A common synonym is wealthy. A common synonym is wealthy.
And what is the opposite of rich? What's the opposite?
The opposite is poor. The opposite is poor.
And that's it. We have finished our practice marathon. You practiced so many new words today. Really, great job. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe for more slow English. Leave a comment below using one of the words you learned.
Every word you learn is a new color to paint your world.
That's beautiful, Eddie. See you next time.